Exactly today, 6 years back, a deadly bomb blast which was carried out by a local of Pulwama brought India and Pakistan on a brink of war. And this is the place which changed a lot of history in Jammu and Kashmir. This is Pulwama's Lethpora, where a suicide bomber rammed his car on 14th of February, which is also seen as a Valentine's Day. But for many soldiers, they lost their families, they lost their loved ones on a day where love is cherished, and they disappeared, and several of them were injured. And this is the place when the vehicle was going up, it slowed down a bit because of the steep terrain, and that's when the vehicle, which was laden with multiple RDX and explosives, rammed into this CRPF convoy there and resulted in deadly casualties. I remember being here reporting, and it was gloomy and everything was scattered because the bus had shattered into pieces. Even the soldiers were not identified for a long time. It was difficult and a hard time for the security establishment in Jammu and Kashmir to know what really transpired, because the nature of the attack was so deadly that for many days it took investigative agencies and other security establishment to see and to sit down and pinpoint at what really could have happened. How did this amount of explosive come here? But then the investigations took place, the NIA took charge, the police also led the investigation, which resulted in encounters and killing of those who were behind it, while several of them who are actually in that charge sheet of the NIA are in Pakistan, but many of them have been charge sheeted. And now today is the 6th anniversary, where several people, including the Prime Minister, the Home Minister of the country, the opposition leaders of the government are actually reminding and paying tributes to all those slain who laid down their lives while being as part of that convoy and coming to Kashmir from their lease.